Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. I've got some packages here. Still way behind as always. Now I've got two packages here today. One from my good buddy Chaz from Chaz's Lockpicking, and one from Peter Lewis. They're kind of related, so that's why I'm doing them together. I can only fit one in the screen here. So this is the one from Chaz. Now if you guys go to Chaz's Lockpicking, you'll see his last video he did was a package that I sent him. So basically what we did was we ended up doing a trade. We did a trade that I sent Chaz the Master 29 system with the medical core in it, and we traded that for a very rare, and it ends up being a lot more rare than we thought it would be, an American 747. Very difficult to find. But this one here, I have not seen another one. Okay, so then on top of that, he was nice enough. I made some other purchases and that were close by Chaz, and he was nice enough to let me send those over to his place, and he sent them right over to me in this package. So this is what we traded for. This should be the 747. Cut that open. I'm just trying to remove the packaging to give me as much room as possible here. So this is the 747, brand new in its package. Take a look at that puppy. Just beautiful. Now, I have one of these already. You can see that there. Got the drill protection right in the core. And the one that I have, probably going to end up dropping something here for sure, because I have no room at all. And sure enough, I'm going to keep that here. Here's the other 747 that I have. This one here, never seen one before, has a restricted keyway. So this is the other one that I have, and this is the one that I just got now, and this one's restricted. I can't remember now. It's either R1 or R4. I can't remember, but very, very extremely rare. So that's what we traded for. I'll just get these back in the boxes. And if it wasn't for Chaz, wouldn't have been able to get that done. So very much appreciated. And it's funny, the boxes are a little different, as you guys can see. This is the one I just got now, and this is the other one. So I'll be featuring those at some point. So let me just see if I can get these out of the way here. And these are the other purchases that I made that I was able to get sent over to Chaz's place. Out of the way, guys. Sorry, I have to keep doing this or else I have no space. And then I'll get to the related package. Now this is a beautiful Corbin. Probably going to be a pig to pick. You got to take a look at that. Take a look at the keyway. And take a look at these beautiful keys. So I was able to get these sent over to Chaz and really appreciate it. And he was nice enough to have them sent over here. We've got one more package here. This one, yes sir, it's a Baldwin Caba. That's right, you heard it. It's a Caba 8. You guys can see that. Yeah, Caba 8. And there's the key. It's a Baldwin Caba 8. So that should be fun times as well. Okay, so now let me get over to the package from Peter Lewis. What happened was Chaz wanted to send me something over, so the purchase was made on behalf of Chaz by the one and only Peter Lewis. So I've cut this box open, and Peter was nice enough to facilitate this and send this puppy over here. I don't want to double check it. I don't think there's anything else in here. I'm just going to check, because I know that Peter packages. He did go. Peter did attend the MUR-LOCK 68 how to pack training course. He does a wonderful job. So that's just an empty box. So this came from Chaz and was purchased by Peter for me. And it's okay, let me see if this is the original. What do we got here? Oh, some IrishLockpicker stickers. Long overdue. What do we got here? What we have here is a I think it's I wonder if this is the original box. It's not the original box to this, but I think this is I can't remember now. Let's pull that out of there. Wow, take a look at that beast. There's not a model number on here though. I don't know if it's K something, but this thing is an absolute beast. You guys can see that. So this is sent to me by Chaz, but without Peter we wouldn't have been able to get it. Peter got this somewhere in the UK and was nice enough to make sure it got here. So we've got the 2 keys, dead core, and oh, this is going to be interesting. I'm assuming it's gettable. So that's that. So that's it, guys. 2 packages closely related from Chaz and the Irish Lockpicker. They all made it happen. We pulled off a nice trade, Chaz and I, and everything is here. So I've got to thank everybody involved, also for my other purchases to help me get them over here. Really appreciate it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you all at the next one. Patience, practice, perseverance. Again, special thanks to the Irish Lockpicker and to Chaz from Chaz's Lockpicking, guys. Stay well.